How to get the zoom wheel on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see zoom presets like 0.5x, 1x, and 2x for quick adjustments. To access more precise zoom controls, press and hold on any of these zoom level buttons as shown. A zoom wheel will appear on the screen, allowing for much finer adjustments to your framing. You can slide your finger along this wheel to smoothly and precisely zoom in or out. Sliding to the right increases the zoom level, bringing distant subjects closer for a detailed view. Sliding to the left decreases the zoom level, widening your field of view to capture more of the scene. Once you find your desired zoom level, simply lift your finger to set it. Following these steps, you can easily get the zoom wheel on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.